Hey guys, first of all, I want to thank each and everyone for giving me such support, which pushes me to make such videos. So, this video is very special for me. Yeah, I'm playing right now, so it's better if I don't talk much and you watch it yourself.
ये मेरा पहला ट्रिप है. मैं नॉर्थ साइड आया हूँ. We're gonna summit at that place. ये चीज़ आसान नहीं है यार. चलो नीचे नहीं हो रहा मेरे से ऊपर. खुशी देख रहे हो? We finally did it man. भालू के पंजे भी इधर. अब मेरे को मार भी देगा मेरे को इस प्रॉब्लम में.
The movie has not yet started. Before that, I want to thank Jirin and Nitin, because of whom it was possible for me to experience such amazing trip. And here you go.
If love is a lie, then why do we need it? We swear we're alive, but we're falling to pieces. We fight like lions, we howl at the moon. We should be flying, instead we bury the truth. But I know inside we're beautiful creatures. Beautiful. We're beautiful creatures. Beautiful. We're beautiful creatures. When you're
I think dreams are meant to be fulfilled, so make sure to keep yourself happy, which helps the surroundings to gain positivity in their life too. Talking about life, it's true. You only live once, so why not?
beautiful.